I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by selecting contrasting yarns and a slightly larger hook so motifs sit relaxed and blend. Begin immediately with a simple chain foundation, then make a circle, square, or strip. Learn the shape's edge behavior. Once done with a motif, leave a long tail for easy sewing and plan where gaps will remain. Make at least 3 different shapes now so you can experiment. This early variety teaches you how color and texture interact, and why tension controls drape and stitch definition. Now you build complexity by combining stitch types and adjusting hook sizes to sculpt form. Use short rows and clusters to make bumps and hollows, switch to a smaller hook for firm edges, then back to a larger one for soft fills. Once a few motifs are ready, pin them into a layout and test how the piece hangs. Make sure to try both join as you go and sewing later. Each method affects stretch and seam visibility. This experimentation teaches you which techniques create cohesive flow and where texture. To finish, assemble the motifs with a joining method that matches your fabric's tension. Sew snug seams with a mattress or whip stitch for hidden joins. Once joined, weave in tails and block the entire piece to relax stitches and set shape. If edges look unstable, add a single crochet or lace border to unify and stabilize. If your work puckers or pulls, loosen tension in problem areas and insert a filler motif or open loop to rebalance stretch. This final care makes the piece wearable and durable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.